Welcome to our channel Taylor's Insights. In today's breaking news, tensions in the Middle East have escalated dramatically. Iran has launched over 400 missiles at Israel, and the Israel Defense Forces (IDF) are on high alert. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on the unfolding Israel-Iran conflict and the growing possibility of a broader regional war. Don't forget to subscribe for real-time updates on the Middle East crisis. Iran has reportedly launched over 400 missiles at Israel, marking a significant escalation in the ongoing regional tensions. According to Israeli media, missile alert sirens are blaring across the country, with Israeli Defense Forces confirming that the missiles originated from Iran. The Israel Defense Forces (IDF) reported that over 100 ballistic missiles were fired, triggering air raid sirens throughout central and southern Israel. Explosions have been heard as Israel's missile defense system intercepts the incoming projectiles. The missile barrage follows warnings from both Israeli officials and the Biden administration that Iran was preparing for a direct attack in response to Israel's military offensive against Hezbollah in southern Lebanon. Hezbollah, a militant group backed by Iran, has been heavily involved in the conflict. Israeli citizens in central regions have been instructed to stay near bomb shelters as further missile attacks are anticipated. An IDF spokesperson has stated that the scale of the assault could be substantial, while the White House has warned that any direct action from Iran could lead to severe consequences. The US has affirmed its commitment to defending Israel and is reportedly preparing to respond if the situation escalates further. In addition, Iranian media outlets have begun circulating videos purportedly showing missile launches from various sites across Iran, although the Iranian government has not yet provided an official statement. This comes shortly after Israel confirmed it had begun limited ground operations against Hezbollah positions in southern Lebanon. With Iran now directly involved in the conflict, the situation in the Middle East appears poised to spiral into a broader regional war. As the tensions between Israel, Hezbollah, and Iran continue to escalate, there are growing fears that other regional powers could be drawn into the conflict, raising the stakes for the entire region. Should the conflict widen, the impact could be devastating, not only for those directly involved but for global stability as well. The war now threatens to engulf the region, with potential ripple effects reaching beyond the Middle East. As Iran formally enters the fray, the conflict could evolve into a full-scale regional war, involving multiple nations and creating a humanitarian crisis on an unprecedented scale. The world watches anxiously as the threat of an expanded conflict looms.